Hey y'all, today we're going to be working on the side of the house on specifically this area behind me. We're going to be pulling everything up and adding in some new plants. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. And make sure you drop me a comment below. Do you prefer annuals or perennials? Okay, just to give you an idea, this is where I planted all the sunflowers a couple of weeks back. They're all looking really good. And then this area right here is an area I've been talking about pulling up. There's several reasons. First of all, this rosemary is half dead. It's really struggled and I want to get rid of it. Secondly, earlier on in my gardening career, I planted this tropical milkweed, which is actually not really great for the monarch butterflies. And it constantly has aphids, as you can see right there. So I'm going to pull that up. I also have two penstemon down here that I don't love because they flop so easily. So I'm going to pull those up. Basically, it's just a hodgepodge right here of stuff. And this side garden, I'm going to be working more and more to add shrubs and perennials to this side garden. I want it to be less about annuals and more about stuff that's always there. So shrubs and perennials, that type of thing. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna start by just cleaning up this area. I think the only thing that's gonna be left behind is the Russian sage, which you can see right there. It's in bloom and it's spread a little bit, which I'm totally okay with. But let's clean up the whole area and then start from there and see what, and I'll show you guys the plants that I'm gonna be adding in there. Okay, everything pulled up really easy, actually. I was kind of a little surprised. So anyway, the area looks really good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a layer of compost into the area. I'm also gonna dig up a little bit of grass. And then once I have that done, I will show you guys all the plants I have and start laying them out. Okay, let's talk about what we have going over here. Okay, so this first one over here is a sweet almond verbena. And it has beautiful white flowers that smell amazing, spring into fall. its height is 10 to 15 feet, spread is 8 to 10 feet. Now, I know you guys are like, oh my God, why are you putting it in that tiny spot? Well, this can be cut down to the ground every year, and then it grows back. So this is not a shrub that is just going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow, right? I am going to be regulating it and trimming it back each season, so it will not get to this 10, 15, 8 to 10 foot spread right here, okay? I will restrict it from doing that. So keep that in mind as I'm going forward with that. You can do that on some shrubs, but I've researched this one. So I know that lots of people say you can cut it all the way to the ground, and it does lovely. So I'm gonna do that one there. I think I might actually move it out just a little bit. It's gonna interfere with some of my sunflowers I already got planted. I'm thinking like right about there. That's fine, I can give up a few sunflowers. Okay, and then I have 2 catmits or nepidas. And so I'm gonna have those together, a little separated, but a little bit more towards the front so they can trail over to the edge. Both of those are perennial as well. Next, I'm putting in a little bit of a red tone, red kind of orangey purplish tone. And this is a orange rocket barberry. And it gets about 4 to 5 feet tall with a 2 to 3 foot wide spread. So it should fill that area really, really well. Nice and tall and straight, should be really nice. Now, I have a little bit of a space right there that I think I might toss in a rose mallow, but I'm not sure yet. I am having difficulty over here trying to work because of the pollinators on the Russian sage, and they are not happy that I am in their business. But over here I have 2 proven winners, sedum, and these are the ones from the unboxing at the beginning of the video. And this one is a Rock and Grow back in black, and it gets to 20 to 24 inches tall, and it is a perennial. Now this side of the house is all full sun, so I'm trying to put things over here that'll really handle the sun, and sedum should. And then I'm also putting this sedum, a Rock and Grow coral jade, and it is 16 to 18 inches tall. So that one will go there. And then I've got 2 perennial proven winners grasses that are also part of the unboxing. Let me turn this around. This one is Graceful Grasses Blue Mohawk Soft Rush, 20 to 36 inches tall, full sun. It should do beautiful and should really like kind of capture some of the wind, which I think will be really nice. So I have 2 of those, one tucked in the back, kind of to create a delineation before getting into the yarrow. So that's what I'm going to start off with, see how it goes. I'm going to get everything planted. I'm going to utilize plant tone and compost, planting everything. And then I am going to go back and add in direct drips to each of these plants because we are in the July. This is west of the sun, and I do need to guarantee that these get enough water every single day. So let's get that knocked out. Okay, I like it so far. So we've got the sweet almond verbena right here, the orange rocket barberry, 2 nepetas, 2 varieties of Proven Winter sedum. This one is Rock and Grow Back in Black, and this is Rock and Grow Coral Jade. And then I tucked in 2 of these Proven Winners Graceful Grasses. This one's called Blue Mohawk Soft Rush. They are really soft. So those will grow up and have a sway to them. So I really like the look of everything so far. I think I'm going to, if you guys remember, I rehabbed some coneflowers, some powwow. They're bright pink coneflowers. I think I'm going to work them into this section right here. And after I'm done, I'm going to utilize the rest of my compost almost like a mulch over all of this and water everything in. So let's knock that out as well. Okay, I like the final look. I like it now and it's not even grown in, so that's always a good sign. So I ended up planting 4 of the powwow coneflowers over here. They're like a bright magenta color. They won't give me any color this year, but they're perennials for next year. Got the sweet almond verbena bush, the nepeta down here, the barberry, orange rocket barberry, 2 sedums from Proven Winners. This is the Coral Jade and the Back in Black, and 2 of the Proven Winners Graceful Grasses, Blue Mohawk Soft Rush. And then I went back with the compost and kind of utilized it as a mulch. And I think it all looks really nice. I will have to be extra diligent, making sure all of this is consistently watered and keeping an eye on it and checking on it every day, just because the temperatures are stupid right now. But I needed to get these into the ground. They'll do better in the ground than they will in their pots. All right. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This side yard, I'm gonna be transitioning into shrubs and perennials, less cut flowers. I'm going to use annuals just more as a colorful accent, but this is a tough side to care for and it's a tough side to grow cut flowers on. So I want to concentrate on the cut flowers in the backyard and then really add some beautiful perennials, shrubs and such that I can harvest still for cut flower arrangements, which will be great. So as always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks y'all.